Hi everyone, this is İrem Durmaz. Today we will talk about something very important for us to greatly reduce the damage done to nature, recycling. Unused waste materials are transformed into raw material by using various methods. Thus, they can be used again in manufacturing other products. This is recycling. Not all materials are recyclable. Recyclable materials are glass, paper, aluminum, and other metals, plastic, engine grease, batteries, organic wastes, and electronic wastes. Well, how are these materials recycled? It is different for every material, but the main process is to break them into small pieces. Aluminum, glass, and some plastics are first melted down. When recycling paper, they first add water and have a paper mud. After a system that gets rid of ink and other paints, paper fibers can be used again to produce paper once more. Transforming waste material into raw material is very important from the aspect of environment pollution. We can reduce air pollution by 75%, water pollution by 35%, and water usage by 45% if you just recycle used paper. When we recycle 1000 kilograms of paper, we save 16 adult pine trees and 85 square meters of woods. When we recycle 1000 kilograms of plastic package waste, 14,000 kilowatt energy can be saved. When we recycle 1000 kilograms of glass waste, 100 liters of petrol can be saved. As you see, if we reuse waste recyclable wastes as raw material, vast amounts of energy can be saved. Our natural resources are decreasing as world population and our consumption increase. So, in order to use our natural resources more efficiently, recycling is extremely important. Thanks to recycling, we protect our raw materials and natural resources and help our country's economical growth. So what can we do? Support recycling. Choose products which have recycle symbol on their package. Use glass bottles and jars again. Choose large size products as it means more usage and less package waste. Recycle plastic bags and plastic products. Support the recycling projects of non-governmental organizations. We must not forget that we all share our planet. If we care her, she will also take good care of us. That's all for now. See you in the next videos. Bye!